For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a chicken shop can be a highly profitable venture, especially when located in high-foot traffic areas or neighborhoods with strong food demand. With the rise of free artificial intelligence tools, many traditionally expensive and time-consuming business tasks, like planning, branding, and marketing, can now be done with minimal cost. This guide will walk you through a step-by-step approach to launching your chicken shop using only free AI resources. By leveraging tools like ChatGPT, Canva, Google Sheets, and Looka, you can simplify operations, reduce startup costs, and create a professional presence from start. Step 1. Define your chicken shop concept. Before anything else, clarify the concept of your chicken shop. Are you selling fried chicken meals, grilled chicken, chicken sandwiches, or wings? Will it be dine-in, takeout, or delivery-focused? Use ChatGPT to brainstorm and refine your concept. You can prompt ChatGPT with, "Help me develop a unique and profitable chicken shop concept with menu ideas, theme, and target customers." This will help you narrow down your niche, which is essential for market positioning. Step 2. Write a business plan using AI. Once you have a clear idea, use ChatGPT to create a comprehensive business plan. A business plan outlines your mission, market analysis, competitive positioning, operations plan, and financial goals. A good prompt to use would be, "Write me a full business plan for a chicken shop that focuses on takeout and delivery, targeting working professionals and students in an urban area." You can then copy and paste the generated content into Google Docs or Notion for further edits and storage. Step 3. Research the market and location. AI tools like ChatGPT and Perplexity.ai can assist with market research by summarizing current trends in the fast food and chicken retail industry. Ask, what are the current trends and customer preferences in the fast food chicken restaurant industry in your city or country? For site selection, use Google Maps and ChatGPT together. Ask, what are the ideal locations in city to open a chicken shop based on foot traffic and competition? You can also use Google Sheets to create a list of possible locations and compare them based on rent, visibility, and nearby competition. Step 4. Design your brand identity. Branding is key in the food business. Use Looka's free logo generator to design a professional-looking logo by entering your business name and selecting relevant styles. Then, head to Canva to design your menu, store signage, flyers, and social media templates. Canva's drag-and-drop features make it easy to create marketing visuals without any design experience. For consistency, ask ChatGPT. Create a brand guideline for a fun, modern chicken shop, including brand colors, tone of voice, and visual style. Step 5. Create a menu with AI assistance. Developing your menu requires balancing popularity, food cost, and preparation speed. Ask ChatGPT, what are the most profitable and popular menu items for a fast casual chicken restaurant? Then request, create a menu layout with prices for my chicken shop that includes fried chicken, wings, sandwiches, and combo meals. Use Canva to design the menu for printing or uploading to your website and delivery apps. Step 6. Calculate startup costs and forecast sales. Use Google Sheets combined with AI to estimate startup and monthly costs. ChatGPT can help with a prompt like, create a list of estimated startup costs and monthly expenses for a small chicken shop, including kitchen equipment, rent, staff wages, food supplies, and marketing. Once that's done, prompt ChatGPT, help me build a 12-month sales and expense forecast for a chicken shop serving 100 customers per day at an average order value of $10. You can paste the numbers into Google Sheets and use basic formulas to analyze your break-even point. Step 7. Register and legalize your business. Research what licenses you'll need using ChatGPT by asking, what are the legal and licensing requirements for starting a chicken shop in your city, state, or country? Most jurisdictions will require a food handler's permit, a business license, and health inspections. While AI can't file forms for you, it can guide you through the steps and even draft documents. You can say, "Write me a template for a partnership agreement for a small food business." Step 8. Design your interior and kitchen layout. Creating a functional and appealing shop layout is essential. You can use AI image tools like Planner 5D, Free Tier, to digitally sketch your kitchen and dining space. For kitchen flow ideas, ask ChatGPT. Suggest an efficient kitchen layout for a small chicken shop focused on quick service and delivery. This ensures your back-of-house operations are optimized for fast prep and minimal wait time. Step 9. Build your online presence. Your chicken shop must exist online to attract customers. Use Canva to design a one-page website and social banners. Use a free site builder like Google Sites or Card to create a simple online page showing your menu, hours, and contact info. For social media, ask ChatGPT. Write a 30-day content plan with captions for Instagram and Facebook to promote a new chicken shop. Use Buffer's free plan to schedule and automate your social posts. Step 10. Create a marketing plan and promotions. To drive your first wave of customers, launch with strong promotions and community engagement. ChatGPT can help you build a plan with a prompt like, "Create a detailed 2-month marketing plan to promote a new chicken shop, including grand opening ideas, influencer outreach, flyer distribution, and digital ads." You can also ask for creative ideas like, "What are some unique chicken shop slogans and taglines for social media and signage?" Step 11. Hire and train staff. Hiring friendly and efficient employees is crucial. Use ChatGPT to help create job descriptions. Write a job post for a cashier and kitchen staff at a chicken shop, including responsibilities and qualifications. For training, you can request, "Create a simple training checklist for new chicken shop employees, including hygiene, food handling, customer service, and safety procedures." Conclusion. Starting a chicken shop doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Free AI tools can dramatically simplify the process by helping you plan, design, brand, and market like a professional. Whether you're drafting business documents, designing a logo, building a website, or creating social content, tools like ChatGPT, Canva, Google Sheets, and Looka can take you from idea to opening day without breaking your budget. With creativity, planning, and the right prompts, you can launch a competitive chicken shop that stands out in your community. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.